Do you know what is the estimated amount of marine animals that are killed because of plastic pollution every year? The answer is a staggering 100,000 marine animals every single year. That's more than 2 every hour and 270 every single day. Marine animals get entangled in plastic debris, ingest it, and suffocate from it. Plastic pollution harms marine ecosystems by disrupting food webs, contaminating food sources, and spreading invasive species. This is a serious threat to marine animals and the health of our oceans. It's important to reduce our plastic consumption and to dispose of plastic waste properly to help protect these marine ecosystems. What are you doing to reduce your plastic footprint?